everyone, this is Jess Bardeson with Lee Real Estate, and I have Stephanie Auden. We're here at Black Hills Federal Credit Union. We're going to talk a little bit today about what a bridge loan is, how they work, and a few other products that Black Hills Federal Credit Union and Stephanie can offer you. Stephanie, how are you today?
I am good, thank you. Thanks for having me today.
Yeah, thanks for
Spotlight. It's really cool.
Thanks for taking the time.
You bet. So we do bridge loans a little bit differently here at Black Hills Federal Credit Union. So the first thing we're going to look at is doing a home equity line of credit. Okay, so if someone's needing that cash for a down payment, it's a lot less expensive to do a home equity line of credit than it would be to do like a refinance cash out.
And what exactly is a home equity line of credit? What can someone, general?
They're taking out equity that they have. So let's say they have a $300,000 home and they only owe $150 on it. So there's quite a bit of equity there. So if they're purchasing a new home and need $40,000, then we can just do a line of credit on that $40,000. When their existing house sells, we'll pay off the line of credit in their mortgage. Okay?
Awesome, that makes sense.
And so the fees are very small. They're not, it's just nothing compared to doing a refinance cash out. So that's really in the best benefit of the customer to get it done quickly and easily.
All right.
Okay?
Great.
I know that you guys were wanting to know about what other loan products we had that were a little different, that differentiate us from other lenders in the market. One of the things that we do are renovation home loans. And what that looks like, Jess, is if they have found a home, but it needs a lot of repair. So they find a home for $150,000, but they've got $75,000 in repair that they need to do, okay?
Okay.
So now we have a $225,000 acquisition cost.
Right.
It's what cost us, that's a total
Essentially,
price. Yep. So to do those, they have to have 5% down. Okay?
5%.
5%.
That's it.
That's it.
Awesome.
And so that allows us, and in this market, we have a lot of really cool homes that just maybe need a new kitchen,
right,
or they don't like the bathrooms, and it's just hard to find things. So I think that's a good product that we can offer them. They've got 6 months to complete the renovation, and then it just, from the get-go, their payments are based on that $225,000. We do those disbursements to the contractors as they're getting their repairs done.
All right.
So we make that really easy for them.
Do you guys help provide a list of contractors that you work with?
Yep. We work with almost every contractor as long as they're licensed. We don't have a lot of strict requirements there.
Okay.
They can only be their own general if they only have 3 little contractors working underneath them.
Right.
If it's a project more than that, then they'll have to have a general contractor.
Okay.
But typically in your renovation loans, you're not going to see more than 3. It might be an HVAC guy or a carpenter, electrician, things like that.
Things for people to look out for.
So that keeps costs down for your client as well. One of the products that I really love that Black Hills Federal Credit Union has to offer is in-house financing, okay? So if people don't want their loans to be sold to the secondary market and they just want to come in and make their payment here every month, they can do that. We also offer 0% financing. So people with good credit scores, if they qualify, can purchase a home with nothing down.
Wow.
Which is, again, a really
one of those
good
in-home products that you guys are able to offer.
Yep, and that would be for purchase only. Okay. It's not renovation, cash out refi, it's just a purchase only loan. The other item that we have that we're different in the market is the construction to perm one-time close, okay? Typically what you see is a construction loan done first, and then once the construction is complete, then they have to start all over again with secondary market financing for that permanent loan. And so we're not doing that. We're doing it one time, one fee, done.
And this is where you were talking about when someone wants to purchase a lot to build.
Right. So if you've got somebody who, a lot of times I've seen in the past, people will purchase just a lot, and then once they pay for their lot, then they have their 20% down. That's normally needed to do a construction loan. Okay. Well, in this case, we take that whole number, okay? Right. And they've got to have typically 5% down on that total cost, again, to do that construction loan. Awesome. Okay. All right. So, Black Hills Federal is not for profit, so we're a little different there in that we are owned by our members, not a paid board of directors. So where our members get their savings would be from the cost savings there. Right. So we're offering lower fees, returning the earnings to the members through service fees like ATM fees, etc. Things like that. Yep. That sounds great. Just for reference, my NMLS number, which is my license number to be a mortgage lender, is 747397.
Great. Well, thank you again, Stephanie, for joining us today and doing the Lee Real Estate Community Spotlight. I'm Jess Bardeson with Lee Real Estate, and this is Stephanie Auden at Black Hills Federal Credit Union.